Ang Kababayan LA ay hatid sa inyo ng McDonald's at ang mga bagong McCafe Espresso Drinks. McDonald's na ba ang inyong bagong coffee house? Ang mga bagong McCafe Espresso Drinks ay mabilis, masarap at mas mura pa. Kahit saan, kahit kailan.
At kahit po masarap magluto at magkainan dito sa Kababayan Kitchen, syempre because it's a Thursday, hindi rin po mawawala ang ating regular segment here, which is Kababayan Performer. Today, we are highlighting somebody who's been with us before. Annie, hello and welcome back.
Yes, hi Janelle. Thank you for having us again.
And bagong mukha po sa Kababayan LA from United Bicolandia or UBLA, Miss Nanny, hello and welcome to the show.
Hi Janelle, thanks.
So, wag po kayong malilito. Annie and Nanny, yan. And Annie, what I like about you is you're always willing to help like organizations who raise funds. And now you have another project, right?
Yes, this project is helping out UBLA, and it's called the Bicolandia Summer Soiree. We have the Harana Men's Chorus, which you have had on before. There's Bones Deoso, Erwin Andaya, who was with the Awit ng Buhay on the Ryan Tiabyab show, and myself. And we're gonna, do different types of songs this time. And we actually catered to the Bicolandia crowd.
Ayan.
Because we try our best when they ask us to help out.
Yeah.
And of course, we as performers, we always want to help out. We
Yes,
always
of
want to
course.
perform.
And plus, you're in the business of entertaining, so you want to know
Yes.
what your guests are looking for, so you can give that to them.
Yeah.
So, Miss Nanny, for those of us who are not familiar, what is UBLA?
UBLA is a United Bicolandia in Los Angeles. Yeah, it was discovered or created in 1974 by
Matagal na.
several Bicolanos.
Okay.
But way back, it was initiated year 1534 in Spain. Would you believe, by a French missionary?
Oh, ang United Bicolandia.
Not the United Bicolandia,
Yeah.
but yung aming pinaka-patroness, which
Yeah,
is the
devotion.
Our Lady of Peña
Okay,
Francia.
so United Bicolandia Los Angeles Association is bound together, bound together by their
Religious
Yeah.
devotion.
by their devotion to Our Lady of Peña
Peña
Francia.
Francia, right, exactly.
And we were talking earlier in the green room with Annie, and she has nothing but good words to say about this organization.
Yeah.
Ano yung observation mo sa
Kakaiba
organization?
talaga ang mga Bicolano. They are very united. Pag merong nagsabi na, we need some help, sila kagad, anong gagawin?
Ayan.
Yan, ganun.
Hindi na yung parang, why? What is this
Oo,
for?
yeah, hindi sila ganun. So, talagang united.
Right.
Kasi it's really like the first thing that comes to mind is to come together.
Okay. At bakit po ang devotion sa Our Lady of Peña Francia? Ano ba yung Our Lady of Peña Francia?
Itong Our Lady of Peña Francia, nagsimula ito actually sa, sa Spain.
Okay.
And then in 1534, na-discover siya, tapos dinala sa atin dito sa mga years 1710 by a
Okay.
Spaniard.
Sa
In
Philippines.
Naga,
Okay.
sa Philippines. So yun ang start doon. And then, masyado siyang miraculous. Marami siyang mga observation o kaya maraming mga sa kanya, yung nagpatunay, mga proofs that these
Baka may
miraculous.
experience ka, Ani.
Hindi
kasi-
pa nga. I've actually only seen the pictures, and I've seen their annual event here in LA because
Right.
they replicate the fluvial procession.
Meron
Yun
kami
yung
dyan.
pinaka-highlights.
Highlights ng mga
And is
Bicolandia.
that what's gonna happen sa Bicolandia Summer Soiree?
Actually, no, because that is during September. So
okay.
throughout the year, the United Bicolandias showing their unity. They have so many events for their own members.
This is one of the social
Kaya sila
events.
banded
And
din
I suppose it leads up to the September event.
Right, yeah.
And this is a fundraiser. Where do the funds go?
Doon kami sa mga sa mga disabled at saka sa mga projects din namin sa
Yeah, they
Bicolandia.
help a lot of,
Kung meron mga halimbawa typhoon, we give it to them.
Yeah,
Right.
Oo. But basically, meron kaming yung parang intention na to put up a hall. Maybe eventually in the future.
Here.
Yes.
Yes, for Our Lady of Peña Francia.
Our Lady of Peña Francia.
Sounds
And for all the
good.
Bicolanos.
I
Yes.
think part of the proceeds for this show go to the
Yes.
Immaculate Heart of Mary Church.
Also
Nandun
in
kasi siya.
Nandun doon kasi ang Our Lady of Peña Francia.
All right. Well, sounds good. Thank you so much for coming and
Thank you.
visiting us,
Yeah,
telling us
thank
about United Bicolandia. And Annie, you're not done yet because you're going to be
I'm
singing
not?
for us.
Oh, yes.
Earlier, she actually recorded a song for us. This is very interesting. Always you sing for us, but this time, may kasama pang konting drama. You'll enjoy this one, and I'll see you again tomorrow.
Pinangako mo sa akin ng langit. Ngunit ang pag-uwi lang na maaga, hindi mo
Eto na
matupad.
naman ang drama mo.
Aminin mo na nagbago ka na.
Paano naman akong gagawin?
Pinaparinig mo
Puro
ako.
ka na lang dada dyan.
Sinusuyo, nilalamping.
Tumigil ka. Tumigil ka na sabi!
Walang ya ka talaga! Saksi! Pinabayaan mo ako dito!
Wag na wag masanay sa pagmamahal. Kapag nasanay ka, naku, kawawa ka. Hindi lang basta-basta ang pagmamahal. Kapag umibig ka, tila may abala. Ibang-iba ang buhay mo kapag nag-iisa. Walang inasikasong problema ng iba. Kaya kung nag-aalinlangan magmahal, ang payo ko sa'yo,